Welcome back to Tech with Adalamsi, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be installing a hitch and trailer wiring for my 2015 Lexus CT200h. I'll have the link in the description and any other parts that I need for this install. Alright, let's get right into it. Remove the cargo mats. Remove the side trunk panels. Remove the center panel and the tray underneath it. Remove the side containers. Remove the plastic clips. My camera died, but basically, remove the panels in the center and the carpeted panel where the tail light would be. This specific wiring kit is plug and play. You can see me unraveling the new harness, and it's a very simple process to install. So essentially, you have T-splitters for both sides of the tail light, which you can install just by simply clicking them together. Besides the T-splitter on both sides, you just have to connect the red wire to the red terminal on your battery, also known as the positive terminal, and the white wire connects to the black terminal, or in other words, the negative terminal. Here is an image of the negative terminal. Here is an image of the positive terminal. Now you just have to route the wire throughout the car in a nice way. I had to remove the jack holder bracket to route the wire behind it so it looks more professional. I used zip ties in various places to secure the wire. Alright, let's move to the actual hitch install. This is a super simple process, assuming your bolt holes are not rusted out. So the hitch requires 4 bolts to secure it to the chassis. One side of the bolt has a tow hook which needs to be removed as seen in the diagram. Here I show you the location of these holes. Remove the bottom clip and the tow hook. I used a jack stand to lift and position the hitch to be able to install it. Here are some pictures of what it looks like installed so you have a clearer picture of how it mounts on. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. So thank you for watching everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.